Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be talking about the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and others, you can check out the Forex analysis playlist for the detailed analysis of the other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as we all know that there was a bull run on GBP USD, and right now as you can see that there is some sort of correction going on in the market right now. But if we consider the present trend of the market here, then there should not be any doubt that the market is still very much bullish. Okay. But before we proceed, I would like to talk about the DXY. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that I emphasize on DXY because I believe that if you are a trader who prefers to trade on the USD pairs, then you must be knowing the movement and body language of the DXY US dollar, and it is very crucial. Okay, so as per our expectation, we can see that market is trying to build a support at our 96 level, and yes, market is trying its best to bounce from here. So if we consider the currency strength meter, then we can see that dollar is the strongest currency right now. In the morning when I was making the video of Euro USD, it was here, and I told that as the day will pass, DXY will try to take support at around the 96 level, and DXY US dollar has a chance of becoming stronger as the day proceeds. And we can see that right now dollar is the strongest, and if we look at the chart here, and yes, dollar has the logic of becoming the strongest currency, taking support right now, and there is a possibility of bouncing from here. And as we all know, when US dollar becomes stronger, goes up, we generally see GBP USD going down, and when US dollar goes down, we generally see GBP USD going up. And as right now dollar is trying to go up, and if it starts going up from here, then there will be some selling, some pressure on GBP USD. But there is one more factor that I would like to talk right now. See, we have two high impact news coming up today, one for Euro and one for GBP UK. So be careful, because after 3 hours there may be some turmoil in the market due to the event. Okay, so if you have an ongoing position on any GBP pair, British pound pair, then you must be careful, and keep in mind tomorrow NFP coming up, uh, the horror story for traders like me. And yes, very good opportunity for traders who love to do scalping on news and all. Okay, anyways, tomorrow is a big day for all the forex traders, so NFP is coming up, be careful. Okay, and today this news or event may be important for the pound pairs. And for DXY, okay, lastly keep in mind, if DXY fails to goes up, then we have 95.80 on the downside. 95.80 will try to hold the level of DXY. In case DXY breaks the level of 95.80, then we may see some good buying on GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD, because the next support for DXY is available at 95.60 to 95.40. So there will be a good space coming up for the other pairs. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY. If DXY shows heavy recovery, heavy bounce from here, there will be pressure on GBP USD, and otherwise if it breaks the level, if you see some selling on DXY dollar, then yes, there is a possibility of other pairs going up. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY. It is very essential. And now let's talk about GBP USD now. Okay, as you can see, market is trading at 1.3552. This is the current market price here, and it looks like a bullish flag pattern here. Okay, you can see that after this run, there is some consolidation going on in the market. So first level that I am giving you is 1.3530. If market comes down to this particular level and bounces, this can be your first trading opportunity. Okay, this can be a first trading opportunity because this level, I have derived this level from the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility of market bouncing from this particular level, but make sure that DXY is in your favor. In case DXY is extremely bullish and you are trying to take a buy hoping that Avinash said 1.3530 level is a good level, no, do not make the mistake. See, this is market, you will have to be flexible. So if market bounces from 1.3530 and if you see pressure on and if it's pressure on dollar, then only take a buy position at this particular level. Okay, and on the other hand, if market comes down for retracement till the 200 period moving average, yes, this is the 200 period moving average and the figure will be around 1.3500. Okay, if market comes down to the 200 period moving average, then there is also a possibility of market bouncing from here. We can consider it as a proper retracement, and if market bounces, then also we can take a buy position. And yes, the reliability of the 200 moving average is higher in comparison to this level. Okay, so this is a low reliable level and this is a medium reliable level. Okay, and on the other hand, if we see a good buying on the market, if we see market breaking this line and going up from here, yes, you can again take a buy position considering it as a minor breakout in the market as well. But keep in mind, news coming up, so be careful. Okay, and right now there is not much volume in the market here. You can see the volume bars are not supporting. So at this particular moment right now, I'll say that even if you see a good breakout also in the market, wait for some time, because for a proper breakout, volume, the support of volume is very essential. Right now there may be a moment in the market, you may see market forming a green candle. Okay, but if there is no volume, then the price will not sustain, and this will lead to a false breakout and you will be caught. So do not make the mistake. Even if you see a breakout, wait for some time and see whether the price is sustaining or not. That is very important. And the last trading opportunity is in case there is a sudden breakout in the market and market breaks this top around one point, sorry, if market breaks the level of 1.3590 or 1.3600 and market becomes extremely bullish, then also you can take a buy position. Okay, but this level is right now far away, so let's see where the market moves. Okay, so tomorrow NFP coming up, be careful. And my dear friends, so this is just my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Okay, because risk management is supreme. Bye bye, take care.